Hi, and welcome to the section Speeding Up Your Python Code Using Numba. The first topic of this section is Introduction to Numba. So going forward, we will be covering the following topics. What is Numba? The different ways of using Numba and limitations of Numba. So let's go ahead. So what exactly is the Numba module? Numba is a just-in-time compiler for accelerating your Python code. Just-in-time compiler basically compiles the code as and when the first time the function is called. It basically translates your Python code to an optimized version of machine code at runtime using LLVM compiler. Unlike Python, it does not require any external language extensions. Recall in the previous section, Python required that in order to speed up your code, it had to translate it into optimized C code. Numba is focused more on numerical aspects of your code, basically computations involving int, float, arrays, numpy, etc. You can also combine Numba with your GPU for more enhanced optimizations for your Python code. So let's come to the topic of different ways of using Numba. We can use Numba by directly calling @JIT decorator to speed up existing Python code. So using the @JIT decorator, we can call the Numba's JIT compiler directly. By setting the parallel is equals to true option inside the JIT decorator, we can enable threading on our existing Python code. So whenever we enable this option, so the JIT compiler makes use of the multiple threads that can be depending upon your capability of CPU and speeds up your code. Numba can also be used with CUDA for enhanced performance gains using the GPU. Currently, the support for AMD is in experimental stage. Also, depending upon your CPU, the loops inside your Python code are translated into vector instructions. So recall that in the section involving NumPy, we read that vector instructions are typically faster than your scalar instructions when dealing with arrays of data. Now let's come to the final topic of this video, limitations of Numba. There are various limitations of Numba. Currently, as of version 0.43.0, the following are not supported. Explicit keyword arguments for your functions, the key argument in sorted function. So basically you cannot use the sorted function with the key argument. You cannot create coroutines using generators. Also, nested lists were not supported up until version 0.39.0. For a complete list of the various data types and Python features that are supported and not supported, you can refer this link. So a quick recap of what we have learned. The Numba module allows us to speed up existing Python code without any language extensions. It translates Python code to optimized machine code using LLVM compiler. Currently, the support for all Python data types and functions is limited. For reference, you can refer this link for more information on the Numba module. That's it for this lecture.